Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add photos to the feature section of your Facebook profile. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to add your feature photo or the feature section photo, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook account, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home button. Tap over there, and after that, when you scroll down, you can see the plus new option over here. Just beside that, you can see the collection over here. Now this is the basically your feature section of photos. Now if you want to add a featured photo, again tap on new and select which photo you want to choose or put on your profile as feature. For me it will be this one. Tap on next and let's save it, and it's uploading, and you can see the edit featured collection over here on the top of our screen. And after saving, you can see two photos appear over here, which are my featured section photos. And there guys, this is how to add photos to your feature section on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.